I don't know about you, but in my area, cleaning supplies are flying off the shelves. You can't hardly get anything. So I thought I'd share a little trick that I've been doing for years and years about making foam soap at home. The reason why you might want to do this is hand soap is hard to come by. You can stretch it and make it last a lot longer if you turn it into foam soap. So you need 3 things for this. You're going to need a container that, a dispenser that dispenses foam soap. So inside it's going to have this little mechanism that will turn in the mixture that you put into here into the foam soap. You can purchase these, but what I do is I just reuse ones that I have had, like this one I've had for probably 4 years, and just reuse it over and over. You'll also need hand soap, and then you'll need some warm water. So first I just take off the top, and then we'll pour in regular soap, and I just eyeball it about 3/4 of an inch full of soap. And then after that, you're going to add the water. So I like to use water that is warm, but not hot. I found that if it's too hot, then for some reason it doesn't work too good. And cold doesn't dissolve the soap very good. So you'll just fill that rest of the way up with water. And then you just shake it back and forth until the soap kind of dissolves into the water. Okay, so there you have it. Once it's all dissolved in, you get your foam soap, lather it up. Perfect way to stretch your hand soap while being safe and keeping your hands clean.